In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Pokémon Easter egg in Forza Horizon 6 quickly and easily, so you know exactly what to listen for while you're driving around in the game. This is one of those hidden references that fans love spotting because it's subtle, funny, and easy to miss if your audio settings aren't right. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more gaming tips, secrets, and Easter eggs just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, jump into Forza Horizon 6 and open your settings menu. From there, go to your audio settings. This is the most important first step because if your radio volume is too low, you might miss the entire reference. Once you're in the audio menu, find the radio volume option and make sure it is turned all the way up. You want it at maximum so the radio host's dialogue comes through clearly. If your music, effects, or voice settings are too loud compared to the radio, you may also want to balance those down a little bit so the station chatter is easier to hear. After that, return to the game and start listening to the radio while you drive. You do not need to trigger a special mission or go to a specific location. The key here is patience. Keep your ears open and pay attention to the host's comments between songs or segments. At one point, the radio host will say something like that Japanese collecting game we're not allowed to name for legal reasons. That's the Easter egg reference fans are looking for. It's a playful nod that clearly points to Pokemon without saying it outright, which is part of what makes it so funny. Because the line is easy to miss, I recommend cruising normally, staying on the radio station for a while and not skipping ahead too fast. If you're trying to hear it more clearly, you can even turn down your in-game music a little and keep the radio volume high. The whole trick is really just being in the right audio setup and listening closely. Once you catch that line, you've found the Easter egg. It's a clever little moment that shows how game developers sneak in references that longtime fans instantly recognize. And if you missed it the first time, don't worry. Just keep listening while you play because it can come up naturally on the radio. So to recap, go to your audio settings, turn the radio volume all the way up, and listen carefully until you hear the host make that legal style reference to the Japanese collecting game. That's the Pokemon Easter egg in Forza Horizon 6. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more hidden game secrets, and comment below if you found any other funny Easter eggs in Forza Horizon 6. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.